The Chief Justice waded into the row that has rocked the Supreme Court, threatening to paralyze operations in the judiciary. Mutunga, who leaves office mid-next month, has amended a portion of the Supreme Court Judge Njoki Ndung'u's order on Friday, setting aside temporarily the ruling of a 7-judge bench of the Court of Appeal on the retirement of Deputy Chief Justice Kalpana Rawal and her colleague Judge Philip Tunoi. Mutunga has moved the Rawal-Tunoi appeal hearing date from the 24th of next month to Thursday this week to facilitate a speedy resolution of the matter before he proceeds on retirement. The Chief Justice also directed parties involved in the case to appear before Judges Njoki and Dr. Smoky Wanjala tomorrow for further directions. But Rawal, through her lawyer Kioko Kilukumi, promptly contested Mutunga's directive, terming it illegal and arguing that he had no administrative powers to override a judicial decision. In the preliminary objection, Rawal said the 2-judge bench appointed to mention the matter tomorrow was improperly constituted, as required by provisions of the Supreme Court Act of 2011. According to the Deputy Chief Justice, Mutunga had no power to vary an order issued by any Supreme Court judge, and that only a 5-judge bench could do so. And to muddy the waters further, a petitioner, Isaac Madubwi, has asked the Judicial Service Commission to recommend Mutunga's removal from office for alleged breach of the Constitution and lack of integrity. Madubwi in the petition claims Mutunga had overstepped his mandate and attempted to take over a matter before Njoki, who was the duty judge, last Friday. Mutunga retires on the 15th of next month. But Njoki's conduct has been questioned, with lawyer Apollo Mboya seeking her removal from office for alleged bias.
A judgment was read. 10 minutes after the judgment is read, okay, an application is lodged. When was the application drafted? So, was she privy to the judgment? Then that one brings into question the integrity of the judgment that was read. How did they know?
The Law Society of Kenya has offered to mediate in the Rawal-Tunoi retirement saga that is gradually snowballing into a crisis in the judiciary. Chief Justice Dr. Willy Mutunga's directive is meant to avert a paralysis in the judiciary, and particularly the apex court in the land, over the retirement of Rawal and Tunoi. However, more questions are likely to be raised on the impartiality of the 5 remaining judges of the Supreme Court, since they are in one way or another involved in the matter they are expected to hear and determine from Thursday. Francis Gashuri, Monday Special, Nairobi.